How to enable MMS on iPhone. To enable MMS, multimedia messaging service on your iPhone so you can send and receive pictures, videos, and group text via your carrier, follow these tips. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Apps option available there. Inside Apps, again, scroll down and look for the Messages and simply tap on it. Once inside the Messages, all you have to do is scroll down and simply look for the MMS messaging option available there. I do not have that MMS messaging option available because of the reason, but if you do, then this is what it looks like. All you have to do is toggle on the MMS messaging, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.